Hello everyone, if you're trying to use GCash on your phone and you keep getting this error, your internet connection seems unstable, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your GCash easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your settings and then you're going to go into your app settings here, and here you're going to search for GCash. So I don't have GCash installed on my phone, so I'm going to use another application as an example. And then what you're going to do on GCache is you're going to click force stop on here and then click OK. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into storage, and here you're going to click on to clear data, and then you're going to just clear cache on your GCache. And after you're done clearing cache, and after that, what you're going to do is you're going to turn off Wi-Fi on your phone and then turn on airplane mode. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your phone. And after you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your Wi-Fi and then try to turn on GCache on your phone, and you'll see that you will not get that internet connection unstable error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.